Using signals generated by a single indicator can be risky while trading. This is because using just one indicator to trade can give more false signals. Thus, many forex traders use 3 or more indicators to filter out good trade setups. However, using multiple indicators for signals can also be complicating and confusing. This is especially true when these indicators are generating contradictory signals. The super arrow indicator, however, provides good signals by using multiple indicators. Thus, the super arrow indicator for MT4 avoids the problem of indicators contradiction. The super arrow indicator for MT4 uses multiple indicators to generate high winning signal trades. These indicators combined are the moving averages, relative strength index, Bollinger Bands, and magic filter. These indicators are utilized by the super arrow indicator to filter out false signals as well as to generate good ones. The diagram below shows how this indicator is displayed on the MT4 chart. The super arrow MT4 forex indicator draws buy and sell signals on the chart with the help of moving averages, RSI, Bollinger Bands, bull/bear power and magic filter. This trading indicator is very easy to trade. Open buy trade when a green arrow appears on the chart. Open sell trade when a red arrow appears on the chart. This indicator fits for scalping, day trading and swing trading currency pairs. The super arrow MetaTrader 4 indicator can be used as a standalone or can be combined with other technical indicators. All default settings for the moving averages, RSI, Bollinger Bands, bull/bear power and magic filter can be fully modified directly from the Indicators Inputs tab. Super Arrow Indicator. Super Arrow is an MT4 trading indicator that shows the exact point of buying and selling a currency pair based on the knowledge of several prominent trading indicators. Traders can use this indicator to find the exact buying and selling position of a currency pair or use it alongside to increase the probability of a trading strategy. How to set up the Super Arrow indicator. Follow the step to install the Super Arrow indicator in any MT4 platform. After downloading the indicator, you have to extract the RAR file and copy the file. Open MT4 platform and go to File, Open Data folder MQL4 greater than indicators. Paste the indicator on the location mentioned above. Now restart the indicator and go to Insert Indicators Custom and select the Super Arrow indicator. Overview of the Super Arrow indicator. The Super Arrow indicator provided buy and sell signals on a price chart based on the concept of moving averages, Bollinger Bands, relative strength index, RSI, magic filters, and bull/bear's power. The basic concept of taking the trading decision is to buy a currency pair when the green arrow appears below the candlestick and sell when the green arrow appears above the candlestick. Traders can implement this indicator besides other trading strategies to increase the probability. Moreover, this indicator is suitable for any scalping, day trading, and swing trading strategies. On the other hand, traders can change the default setting for RSI, Bollinger Bands, moving averages, and other settings from the Indicators Input tab. How to enter a trade using the Super Arrow indicator. The Super Arrow indicator works well in every time frame. Therefore, whether you are a scalper or a swing trader, you can include it in your trading strategy. Currency pairs. It works well in all currency pairs, but sticking to the major and cross pairs is excellent due to market liquidity availability. Platform, MetaTrader 4 time frame. This indicator works well in all time frames from a 5-minute chart to the 1-month chart. Trade type, trend following. Buy signal. Open a buy trade when the Super Arrow indicator appears below the price with green color. In that case, the stop loss should be below the candlestick with some buffer and hold the trade until an opposite arrow appears. Sell signal. Open a sell trade when the Super Arrow indicator appears above the price with red color. In that case, the stop loss should be above the candlestick with some buffer and hold the trade until an opposite arrow appears. His indicator is suitable for both professional and new forex traders. New forex traders will particularly find this indicator valuable as there is no analysis required on their end. Professional traders can use this indicator in conjunction with other indicators and market analysis. Furthermore, this indicator can be used in all time frames to spot an entry.